You first.
Yeah, thoughts ko muna bago yung sa'yo.
Sige.
First of all, before Mori even started singing, I could already feel her emotion in her eyes. She was completely immersed, right? The question is this her original song?
Yes.
Okay, yung mood ng song, emotional, heartfelt, dramatic, para ini-express niya yung deep longing, heartbreak, and love. And yung vocals, powerful and emotional delivery, typical of Morissette's style. Even the key change was perfect for this song. Biro mo, piano lang to, and light percussion. And yung song feels like Phantom of the Opera. That's the vibe I've got, like an opera singer. It might look easy to sing at first, itong song na to. But don't try it. Because of all of Morissette songs are difficult to sing. If I were to give a rating from 1 to 10, 10 wouldn't be enough to describe how amazing she is. But since we're limited to 10, I'll give her a 10. Yeah.
Okay, so overall, I'm gonna give this a solid perfect 10. Like, no questions asked from the first time. O first time pa lang, di ba? I literally got goosebumps sinabi ko yung kanina. And inulit ko lang ngayon, I didn't even understand the lyrics at first, but grabe, I could totally feel the sadness through her voice. That's how powerful Morissette is. She sings with so much emotion, you don't even need a translation to get the message. And can we talk about her presence? Like, she's just sitting there chill, nakadikwatro pa, but the vocals are insane, so clean, so smooth, and bigla na lang, boom, high notes na effortless. Parang, what just happened kind of moment. I swear, I always love how expressive her eyes are. You can really see everything she's feeling, and she's not even doing much. It's like she's speaking directly to your soul. Also, I didn't search the meaning agad because I really wanted to feel it first, you know? Like, how will it hit me if I go in clueless and turns out she made me feel the whole thing kahit di ko pa alam yung lyrics. That's talent. That's artistry. So yeah, 10 out of 10, no doubt. Queen behavior.